Today we have a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is 80-year-old man nearly scammed out of $110,000, a lesson he'll never forget.
On October 6, 2025, scammers posed as Chase Bank employees convinced an 80-year-old man that his bank account was compromised and directed him to withdraw money and use a Bitcoin ATM to send the funds overseas. Police were alerted by the victim's son, who noticed large withdrawals from his father's account. Already lost $50,000 before police intervened, they were just in time to stop him from sending an additional $60,000.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, fine.
Did you guys have somebody in here? What's your number doing?
Bitcoin.
What's that?
Bitcoin, cryptocurrency.
All right. Hello, sir. How you doing?
17 Foxtrot.
What's going on? What's going on, sir?
What was that tag?
Hey, what are we doing? All right.
17 Foxtrot.
How much money have you put in here? Sir, calm down.
Chase Bank is on the telephone.
No, Chase Bank's not on the telephone. No. All right, that's not Chase Bank.
Hello?
Sir, how do we get...
Hello?
I have no idea. I mean, I just rent the space for the machine. So, you want to cancel?
Yeah, how do we cancel this?
No, the police just came in.
Yeah, stop putting money in. Stop.
Okay.
It's not Chase Bank. Put all this right here. How long has he been here, sir?
This is 2 times.
No.
He came in by himself?
Yeah, I have a driver.
You have a driver?
Yeah.
Where's your friend?
He's in a gray car across a Honda.
How much money have you put in here?
The receipts are all in the...
How long have you been here, sir, doing this?
Oh, careful.
Here. Do you have a seat for him? You give him a chair.
Yeah, sit down, boss. Careful.
How long has he been in here for?
Get him off that phone.
This afternoon, probably like half an hour.
Half an hour.
No, more than that.
And he's been putting money into this machine the whole time?
In the
Yeah.
morning too.
In the morning, too?
I don't know.
Is this the Sunrise or...
Yeah, we're Sunrise PD.
It's Sunrise Police Department is here.
$11.01.
Alpha 1101.
I'm 2-5 with the elderly gentleman. He was putting cash into a Bitcoin machine.
Let me guess, where's it going? Nigeria? Let me guess.
Hello?
Either that or one of them Indian countries.
There's...
This guy just... All right, how do we cancel these transactions from the Bitcoin machine?
You have to go to here and talk to his spirit. Let me see if I can.
Yeah, let's get this man as much of his money back as we can, because he's being scammed right now. This is fraud.
I have no idea what the Sunrise Police
You're gonna tell me that you didn't think that it was weird that this old man was in here all day long pumping money into this machine?
A lot of people coming here with so I don't pay attention.
I can't.
Yeah, but also whether he's in there doing it or not, that's not their job to question somebody. Hey, you can't buy Bitcoin, it's fraud or whatever. So the person that's working there, it's not their job to stop somebody from using their Bitcoin machine. That's why they got the machine. So shit, Bitcoin is high right now. Maybe he wanted to buy some Bitcoin, like whatever.
I can't see anything on the screen. Nothing.
Let me see.
Hold on.
Have you given these people codes?
Yeah, for sure. You like to
I don't know where the, I don't know where the friend is.
Who am I speaking with?
They ain't gonna answer.
Phone number 702.
Yeah, they ain't gonna answer. It's over.
Who are you?
I'm the police. All right, just don't put any more money in this machine.
No, I'm not touching it.
No.
Excuse me?
If you're police, I'm Donald Trump. Okay.
Yeah. All right, sir. Have a seat, sir. Have a seat. Do you have any idea how much money you have?
Today, 40,000.
Why?
Because
That's not.
we, how should I say?
You were
I
scammed.
was on Microsoft.
You got scammed, sir.
From what remark?
All right, where did Alpha 7 go?
There's a gentleman here putting
You just sat outside with mom trying to grab me.
Yeah, he's gonna be primary me.
To find out how to get the money. The guy got scammed like from $50,000. This is the Chris from ATM. This is the guy that knows everything.
Hello, Chris. This is Officer Honig, City Sunrise Police Department. How you doing?
I'm doing okay. How are you? I'm not the right guy, but I'm going to get you to the right guy.
All right.
I can get the right guy on the phone with you in just a minute.
Thank you.
What's the best contact number for him to call you?
Whatever number just called you from here.
You got it. I will have him. His office will be on the line with you in a minute.
All right, appreciate it.
All right, thanks. Bye.
Did you come back into the water park?
What's that? They put me on hold.
Oh.
Oh, Seven's out there in the parking lot talking with the.
Okay.
He's out there in the
Well,
park.
you're gonna get the driver.
We have officers out there.
So,
Oh, there.
how many days have you been doing this?
Just today.
Just today.
Just today.
But you've put like $40,000 in here already?
50,000. That's if we look on the receipts. If they're not here, they're in the car, like
And all that money was put into this
in
machine?
this machine. This machine.
14 location.
Oh my God, it's all been put in. So,
1401? Anyway.
I have no idea how this machine works. Here, I don't know what's going on
You
here.
pulled out 50 grand total today.
30,
10, 20, and then 30. See,
50.
or you got 60 pulled out. So, and this is just what you haven't put.
So he's put $48,000 in here.
There's 2 grand in here, and then is this another 2 grand?
No. There's
Yeah, but they're probably only gonna be able to get back whatever the current one that he's already doing, which is it looks like amount requested 26. Looks like it's around 26,000 that he might be able to get back. But man, you know, people prey on these guys on older people. You know what I'm saying? Like this is typically the life, you know, of you know, an American citizen. You know, you start off in your 20s or whatever, you get your job, whatever, you slave away for the next 40 years or whatever until you can eventually retire. Hopefully you stacked away a couple of, you know, dollars and stuff like that to live off in your retirement for the rest of your days. And, you know, you go online, either it's in like romance scams. So a lot of times older guys or older women are getting scammed by, you know, people overseas. Typically it's like Nigeria or these Indian countries or whatever. You know, they're either looking for love or whatever the case may be, and they get scammed, you know, start sending money or whatever in a love romance or whatever. Or or they either get a hold of your email or call you or whatever, and they pretend to be a bank or X, Y, and Z, and get you to send these monies over. And older people, they don't know, they just go along with everything, you know what I mean? They don't look to research it or ask their grandchild or whatever, parent or daughter or whatever, about these things or whatever. This old guy don't know nothing about no Bitcoin. So why is he just taking it upon himself to listen to a random person on the phone? Come on. Gotta be smart, man. Gotta be smarter than that. And it's unfortunate because these people, they work all their life, they work all their life to live the rest of their days, and they get scammed out of most of their retirement or whatever it is that they got stacked away.
And you've been giving them all the codes.
I just talked to his son. I'm with a friend. Okay. I talked to his son. He said they took around like 50.
Yeah, 50,000. And he's put 48 of it into this machine.
And this is a withdrawal for 30, this is a withdrawal for 20, and this is a withdrawal for...
You got the
So like 60.
phone number?
You did 30, 20, and 10?
Let me see.
Yeah, 30, 20, 10. So
For
we're
60 grand. So $58,000 he's putting here.
Wow. I mean, where do you live, sir? Everything was over the phone?
Yeah.
Nobody came here with you?
No, he just brought me up because I didn't feel like I could drive back up here.
I understand. What did they say? They're somebody from the fraud department?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Typical.
All right.
I have no idea how Bitcoin works.
I don't know.
Can we...
I can give you the number if you want to.
Yeah,
They gotta talk to, they gotta ATM guy.
ATM guy.
All right, guys. If you need anything, just call me. But Leon's out there with the...
All right. Chris,
That's all I know.
ATM.
It's a big
You have just process.
process transaction completed. Done.
That's
Done.
$2,580 cash right here.
so he's put $57,500 in the machine today.
Completed. It was supposed to cancel.
No bank will ever have you do this, sir. They stole your money. Whoever these people are, they stole your money.
All right, I'm sorry.
I'm calling Philano. Make sure he doesn't put more money into that machine. See if we get in touch with this guy. He owns the ATM. See if we get in touch with him.
The scammers had already stolen $50,000, and the victim was only moments away from sending another $60,000, pushing his losses to $110,000, money he likely would never see again.
Yeah. Done. And these guys are from overseas. Yes, you can track the Bitcoin wallet or whatever the case may be, but they're not gonna prosecute, some guy living in Africa or India or anything like it's over. Now, if this person lived in the United States, yeah, they would be, but typically those scams don't work like that. Guys in the States don't do those type of scams like that because it's you can track it. But wow. Unbelievable, man. Good for his son. You know what I mean? Good thing his son was, good thing the father had his son on his banking thing because he was contacted with all of these withdrawals that were unusual. Because if it wasn't for that, this guy would have just been sending money. Unbelievable. For older people, if things like this happen, you gotta consult with the younger generations. You gotta consult with, if you're a grandparent, you gotta consult with the grandkids or your kids. You gotta consult with them. This guy don't know nothing about no Bitcoin. What are you doing? No bank is gonna do that. Why he ain't consult with his son? Wow, a sad case, man. Sad case. Work your whole life, stack up a couple of thousands of dollars, live out the rest of your days, and half of it gone like that to some foreigner. Unbelievable. Officers get 5 out of 5. They tried their best, you know, but money is it's already too late. It's already too late. Anyways, yeah, so let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video.